Hello guys, welcome back to Make Coding Easier. As promised in the last video, today we are going to see examples of the stuff taught in the previous video. Okay, so this is we saw the suitable editors for HTML in the previous video. Okay, so my favorite code editor is Visual Studio Code, so I'm going to use VS Code. Okay, you can search Google for Visual Studio Code download. Okay, so it'll take you to code.visualstudio.com/download. Okay, yeah, so you can download for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, so to use Visual Studio Code, first to make our work easy, we'll install Live Server. For me, it's already installed. You can just search for Live Server. You will search, and then when it's not installed, you'll get an option like this: install. Click on it and it'll get installed automatically. So we'll open a folder here. Okay, so I'll create a folder in my documents page, a new folder saying HTML examples. Okay, that's done. So I'll open HTML examples, select folder. Okay, this is for getting started, and then I'll click on this icon to create a new file. My HTML file will be named index.html. Okay, so giving the exclamatory mark will give you a basic boilerplate, but only in Visual Studio Code. You try this in any other code editor, will might or might not work, mostly will not. Okay, so this is the basic boilerplate. This is some stuff which we have not covered yet. We will cover it in the upcoming videos. Okay, even this, yeah, let's get rid of them. Okay, so title tag will give the title. Okay, so I'll give it as HTML examples. Yeah. Okay, so this will be my title. I'm gonna go live with this open with live server. Server started at port. Okay. Yeah, see here, this is we get a title, HTML examples. I can change it. I'll give it ABCD also, I'll get the title. ABCD, I get the title. You have to save the file though. Okay. You'll get the title. I'll change it back to normal. HTML examples. Okay. It's all okay. So we have heading tags, 6 tags for headings. H1 to H6. H stands for heading, okay? So we'll give H1 and I have a copied line. This is my first HTML. Okay? You do the same H2, H3, sorry guys. HTML, that's should be okay. I'm removing this and then we'll give my H3, Control A. Oops. Yeah. H4, H5, H6, and then we have another tag, the paragraph tag. Okay. Okay. P tag, paragraph tag. Yeah. That's done. Okay, so I save the file. I get my output. Okay, this is from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and then this is the last one, H7. Okay, this is a basic HTML file. Okay, when we go ahead in the other videos, we'll surely learn to make a very basic website. Okay, with that we'll need CSS, JavaScript, and much more. Okay, basically CSS and JavaScript is enough, but not going deep into that. We'll link. I'm just creating 2 files. One is a CSS and one other one is a JS. So style.css will be my CSS page, and then script.js will be my JavaScript. So how to link these two to my HTML? Okay, so that I get my output. So I'll give you a link :CSS. This link :CSS will work only in Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Okay, so you get style.css. This style.css is default. If your name is like index.css, you will have to change it. Okay, so we'll get script src, and then there'll be our script.js. src stands for source. Okay, so now these two pages are linked. Hmm? There are much more tags which we will be covering up in the previous videos, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.